AI is moving faster than ever, but most people still aren't using the tools that can save them hours every week. Today, I'm showing you 5 AI tools you should be using in 2025 to work smarter, learn faster, and automate more of your daily life. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is Perplexity AI. If you're still using Google for research, this is a massive upgrade. Perplexity gives you direct answers with sources and updates in real time. You can ask follow-up questions, check citations, and learn anything faster. It's perfect for school, work, and everyday questions. Tool number 2 is Gamma. Gamma creates presentations, slides, and documents with just one simple prompt. No formatting, no design struggles. Gamma handles everything instantly. If you need clean visuals fast, this tool is a game changer. Tool number 3 is OpusClip. If you ever plan to create content, this one will save you hours. OpusClip takes any long video and automatically turns it into short clips ready for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. It captions them, finds the best moments, and edits everything for you. Tool number 4 is Descript. Descript lets you edit video like a Google Doc. Delete a sentence in the transcript, the video cuts it out automatically. You can clean audio, remove filler words, and even use voice cloning features. It's one of the easiest editors for beginners. Tool number 5 is Notion AI. Notion is already one of the best apps for organization, but the AI upgrade takes it to another level. You can generate notes, summarize documents, create task lists, and build simple systems to manage your day. It's amazing for productivity and long-term planning. These 5 AI tools can save you time, reduce stress, and make your workflow much smoother in 2025. If you want more AI tools, tutorials, and simple automation tips, subscribe to FutureFlow AI.